Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Canadian, very strong to the upside. We went beyond the 78%, which oftentimes when you go beyond the 78%, I mean, it could still pull back, but oftentimes it will go up to the 100% at that point. So we have no break of structure, we have no Fibonacci bounce, we have no reason whatsoever on the 4-hour, the daily, or any of the higher time frames to say that we should be looking for shorts yet. So for me personally, I definitely would be looking for longs still. I'd be looking for, these nice little 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, nice engulfing moves to the upside. There was a little bit of a 3-way pullback today, but not the best one. Hopefully what happens is it actually pushes down again, and then that would be the opportunity I would be looking for more logs. I mean, don't get me wrong, if you are a scalper, maybe you can try to scalp to the short side if it does push down. But for me, as more of a long-term trader, I definitely would be focused on trying to go long at the end of every pullback I see. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.